Welcome back to Technology in the Future. If you're passionate about cutting-edge camera tech, you're going to love what we've got today. We're diving into one of the most talked about upcoming releases in the world of photography, the Leica Q4. Whether you're a content creator, a street photographer, or just someone who appreciates top-tier imaging tools, this camera is shaping up to be something truly special. The Leica Q series has always pushed the envelope in design, performance, and luxury. Now, with the Q4, Leica is setting a whole new benchmark for what a compact full-frame camera can do. This isn't just a minor update, it's a full-on evolution. Designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike, the Q4 combines classic Leica craftsmanship with futuristic technology. While there hasn't been a huge launch event just yet, the Q4 is rumored to make its debut in late spring or early summer of 2027. And based on what we've seen so far, the hype is absolutely real. The standout upgrade? A brand new 70-megapixel full-frame B-SIM sensor. That's a serious jump from the Q3's 60-megapixel sensor. This new sensor promises ultra-sharp detail, greater dynamic range, and exceptional low-light performance. From vibrant cityscapes to moody portraits, the Q4 is built to deliver results that speak for themselves. This camera isn't just about still photography. The Q4 is also a beast when it comes to video. It offers 8K video at 30 frames per second, perfect for cinematic storytelling. Need slow motion footage? You'll get 4K at 120 FPS, which is buttery smooth. And with ProRes 4.2.2 HQ support, it fits right into professional editing workflows. Whether you shoot for YouTube, short films, or commercial content, the Q4 has your back. One of the biggest complaints in previous models was autofocus, and Leica has clearly listened. The Q4 features a hybrid autofocus system that blends phase detection with advanced subject tracking. Whether it's a fast-moving car, a model on the move, or your pet running in the backyard, the camera locks on with impressive accuracy and speed. The fixed Summilux 28mm f1.7 lens has been enhanced with better coatings and optical elements to improve sharpness and minimize flare. Macro functionality is improved too, giving you the flexibility to shoot stunning close-ups without sacrificing detail. The rear display gets a major refresh, a 3.2-inch tiltable touchscreen LCD with multi-angle adjustability. It's brighter, sharper, and far more responsive. And then there's the viewfinder, a 6.5mm OLED EVF with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's smooth, lag-free, and a joy to use whether you're shooting photos or video. Battery performance is another area where the Q4 shines. Expect over 25% more shooting time compared to its predecessor. It also supports USB-C fast charging, getting you up to 80% power in less than 40 minutes. A real lifesaver for creators on the go. Leica is known for its build quality, and the Q4 is no exception. It's crafted from magnesium alloy and Kevlar-like composites, making it both lightweight and rugged. With IP53 weather resistance, it's ready for everything from dusty hikes to drizzly urban shoots. The Q4 supports USB-C 3.2 Gen 2x2, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring rapid file transfers and seamless wireless shooting. It also includes a full-size HDMI port and optional wireless charging via an accessory grip. Modern conveniences packed into a classic Leica form. With all these upgrades, expect the price to reflect the innovation. The Leica Q4 is expected to fall in the $6,500 to $7,000 range. It's a premium investment, but for many, the quality, reliability, and sheer joy of using it will more than justify the price tag. The Leica Q4 looks to be the ultimate blend of power, portability, and timeless design. With a 70-megapixel sensor, 8K video, improved autofocus, and modern connectivity, this compact full-frame camera is made for the future. Whether you're shooting for art, content, or commercial work, this is a device that could elevate your creative vision to new heights. That's it for today's deep dive into the Leica Q4. If you're serious about photography or filmmaking, keep this one on your radar. Make sure you subscribe to Technology in the Future and hit the bell icon so you never miss updates on the latest gear. Until next time, stay inspired and keep creating.